Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Please remember to hit that like button. Yes, hit it. And remember to subscribe to my channel for awesome and delicious and fun-filled content. Okay guys? Alright my peeps, so you see some peas here, so some people say red kidney bean, but you know what we say? Red peas. We're gonna make some Jamaican rice and peas and brown stew chicken. So I'm gonna take out the chicken right here. So guys, I'm gonna try it out. All right guys, I'm gonna pour my peas in there, and this is about 1.5 cups. You can use 2 cups or less, depends. And I'm gonna add some cold water. So if you see any bad one in it, just go ahead and take them out. You can give it another rinse if you want. They're good. All right guys, after you rinse it now, just add some cold water. If you want, you can let it sit for overnight for a few hours well, but I think 2 hours is good for me, and then it will be so much easier to pressure. Now I'm gonna pour this in a pot, and I have some extra water there. We're gonna pressure the peas. All right, put a little bit of canola and olive oil. All right guys, now I'm gonna add just 2 little pieces of ginger, and then I have 2 pegs of crushed garlic, and I'm gonna pour that in. And guys, if you have pimento, you can add about 5 to 7 pimento grain, but I have it in my blended seasoning, so when I'm gonna season up my rice and peas, I'll add some then. The ginger and the garlic help to flavor it and help to cook the peas fast. All right guys, I'm gonna pressure this for about half an hour, and then I'm gonna come back and see how it looks. And remember to put this part on, okay guys? First thing you're gonna need is some chicken seasoning or all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna put about a tablespoon. That's good. And I'm gonna add a little bit of Caribbean spice, roasted garlic. Optional, if you don't have it, you can do without. I'm gonna put about another tablespoon. And then this is some paprika. I'm gonna add about a teaspoon. And the final thing you're gonna need is some blended seasoning, all natural. All right guys, look at it. I will leave a link of how to make this. All right, basically pimento, thyme, scallion, garlic, onion, all of this blend up, all right, and preserve with some olive oil, or you can use whatever you want. So I'm gonna put like a huge tablespoon. Mama, that's it right there guys. And now guys, I put a glove on, and I'm gonna mix everything together. Guys, I forgot to tell you, all right? If you don't have this blended seasoning and you have your regular onion, garlic, pepper, scallion, go ahead guys and cut up some of it. All right, and then you want to just mix it up in it. You want to go in with some soy sauce, and I'm gonna add a little bit, maybe about 2 tablespoons. And you want your good old browning, and I'm gonna add some. If you don't have browning guys, what you can do, burn some sugar in the oil. That's my mom's favorite. Just burn some brown sugar in the oil, or white sugar, it doesn't matter, granulated sugar. Just burn a little bit in the oil, and then you stir in your meat. But I'm gonna add some browning. I'm gonna add about 2 teaspoons for now, and then we'll see after. That's good. If you want guys, you can leave it for 8 to 12 hours. Overnight is ideal, all right? But this is a 1 day cooking, so 4 hours will get the seasons down in the bone and everything ready. You can go ahead and you can add your coconut milk, and you can wash your rice and you can put it in in this pressure cooker, or you can transfer it to another pot. But over here guys, I have my rice cooker. All right guys, so once you add the peas over here in your rice cooker, I'm gonna add half can of this coconut milk. That will do. And also I'm gonna put some of this coconut cream, and it's like this. I love this one in it. It gives it a good flavor. I'm gonna put about half pack, and it also gives me some oil. That's good. Now guys, at this point you want to put your scallion. I wash it and beat it a little, and I have 1 pepper. Be careful, okay guys, be careful of the pepper burst. You don't want too much spice, but just, I'm not gonna burst the pepper, I'm just gonna let it cook in it. I'm gonna throw in my pepper. All right, I'm just gonna let this come to a boil, and then I'm gonna add my rice. If you have thyme, you can go ahead and put a piece of thyme in it. But over here, I have some thyme, scallion, garlic, pimento, and all of that in my blended seasoning. So I'm gonna put about a tablespoon. I'm gonna add about half teaspoon salt. You can add more or less. All right guys, once it come to a boil, I'm gonna go in with my rice. I have about 3 cups of rice here, 2.5 to 3 cups, and I'm gonna add it in. And now guys, I'm gonna give this a stir. If you want, you can go ahead and add a little bit of butter, but I don't want any butter because I got some coconut oil from the cream. So that's it. All right guys, now we're gonna do the brown stew chicken. I'm gonna add some of this oil. Not much, about 2 tablespoons. That's good. Now I have some garlic and some fresh ginger. Once you have that going, I'm gonna go on in with my chicken. I put a little bit of water and I shake it out because I'm not leaving all my goodness in there. That's it guys. So what you want to do now guys, you want to fry it up a little bit or let it brown up somewhat, okay? And I'm gonna let it brown up somewhat. All right my peeps, let's take a look. Ooh, yes, yes sister. So guys, this is it. It's all good. Right now it's on low, so I'm gonna leave it there for another 2 to 4 minutes, and then I can plug it out. There it is. Now I'm gonna add my vegetable. I have all frozen here, some frozen tomato, bell peppers of all sorts, and then I have a little bit more of green onions. I'm gonna add it all in. You can add whatever you want guys. And I have some carrots. I'm gonna cover it up and let it simmer. All right. Now I'm gonna go in with some Irish potato. You can add like a butter bean or so, because this will help make the gravy, but I still want to have some bites of it, so this is the reason I'm putting it now. I have 2 little pieces of pepper. I'm gonna add that because my daughter will eat it, so I don't want it to be too spicy. And at this point guys, you want to give it a stir. All right. You see guys, I add no water, just like a teaspoon or tablespoon to mix out that seasoning out of the bowl. So my peeps, that's it. I'm gonna let it slow cook for another 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna add some ketchup. All right guys, this is the final part to my chicken. Yes, now guys, I have some ketchup. What you want to do to make some gravy, make it rich and nice, I'm gonna go in with some ketchup. Also, to give it a little sweet taste, I have my Diana chicken and rib. I'm gonna mix some in, and it's gonna give it a good color. Now guys, all you want to do, just go in and give it a little mix. Alright guys, so this is my Jamaican brown stew chicken. It's all done. I have enough gravy, really soft, have a good color. Yes, nice brown color. Yes, look at that goodness guys. Now we're gonna come on over here, and this is how you want your rice and peas to look. It's gonna have some color. We can remove this one now, and you want to give it a little mix again. You see how shelly and nice it is guys. Not too shelly to choke you know guys, but enough, just shelly enough to eat. That's it. That's my Jamaican rice and peas. Now guys, look at it. Everything is all ready. Chicken done, and I'm frying a few plantains, and I'm gonna serve up some. Guys, I fried some already. Put it on a paper towel so it can drain the excess oil, and these are done, I think. Alright guys, let's dish out some. Ooh, look at my rice and peas. Look at that guys. Put a little here. Not too much now. Ooh. So shelly and nice. Yes. Look at that guys. Ooh. I'm gonna scoop up some. I love wings, so I'm gonna add a little wing right there. A little bit of gravy. I'm gonna add some plantains. About 4 pieces will do. And my peeps, this is the final result. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. Jamaican brown stew chicken and rice and peas. Look how the peas shelly and nice. Yes, yes, yes. And some fried plantain. You can go ahead and you can make some salad, some vegetables, some coleslaw. Eat it anyhow you want guys, but this is it right here. All right, quick and easy Jamaican food, Jamaican style. Look how the rice grain them shelly and nice. All right guys, love upon me and I love upon you. Bye guys, have a good day.